To all of us, our health is the most important thing that we have, and people's expectations are increasing in terms of the health outcomes that they require. So the services that we provide in health support the community and the wellness of our population across Australia. My name is Fiona McKerrow. I am the Contract Manager at Spotless, managing facility services at a children's health facility. Children's health is the most important thing that we have in our life, and it's an amazing feeling to know that you've made a difference to someone's outcome and all the wonderful things that we have here, the environment, the systems, it makes a huge difference. Building management is becoming much more integrated, the systems talk to each other, and everyone in the building relies on all the systems in the building and us, so that the environment, the temperature, the air is all conditioned appropriately, the electricity works, power points work, that the lights come on as required, that all the medical services are delivered to the patient. Schneider Electric EcoStruxure allows us to deliver all of these services to the site. It allows us to see it all through a portal that allows us to monitor the air, the temperature, the security system. It allows us to look at across the whole platform. I rely on a team to do their job, and they use the systems to make sure that the building works, and Schneider Electric is a fundamental partner here. They support the whole facility. Every plant room, every piece of equipment in the building is attached to a Schneider Electric system. We are planning for the future to make sure that the systems meet the needs for the next 20 years, and Schneider Electric EcoStruxure allows us to deliver those services.